How to set live wallpaper on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to the start menu and search for Lively application. If you don't have this application on your device, simply you will see the option to download it in the internet. Go to the official website of Lively and there you will see the option to download it for your Windows 11 device. After that, shortly the x.e file of Lively Wallpaper application will be downloaded in your device. Double click on it and start to set it up on your device. While it is setting up, you can see that it checked for the requirements as well. So that once this application is downloaded, you can directly check the wallpaper. So after that, once this application has been downloaded, you will see a window of Lively application. Choose any one of these design which you like and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.